Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I want to start picking some of this alpha locks I got from Japan a while back. I got this big box with Japanese alpha locks. Basically almost every side. I believe the 40mm are missing, and we're gonna start today with some 20mm, I believe. Yeah, let's do the 20s. Let me quickly sort out all the 20s. It's a 20. There's a 20. Well, I guess that are all the 20s. The 30. 30. 30, 30. I got more 30s than 20s, but that's fine. Alright, so here are 5 alpha 20mm. So let me check the boxes and the locks, of course. They're all packed brand new. Here we got a nice little Japan all brass alpha 20mm. I need a trash bag for this stuff. That looks very kit-alike, doesn't it? Huh? Yes, they are the same. So, what else? The same key? Yes, same key. Well, I got 3 locks. I guess the box is kit-alike. I have here. Well, it doesn't matter. Nice giveaways. I only need 1 lock of these. Let me see if this is the same. It's a number 1025. No, it's a 25, sorry. We're doing the 20s. So, I got 4 20s. And they are kit-alike. And let me zoom in a little. Get this baby in the vise. This is the key. It looks like a 3-pinner. It's a keyway. It's a nice 20N. Nice Japanese brass lock. So this is a 20mm alpha padlock version. Let's probe a little. Yeah, that's fine. And let's use top of the keyway maybe. Oh, that fits nicely. I've never picked one of those, so okay, so we open. It's a very nice lock. I like it a lot. Alright, so let's try to speed pick it 1 or 2 times. So I can have a record on the website. Is it in focus? Yeah, it is. It was not good. because now I cannot open it. Let me try a different pick. I wanna say I would like to try, if I can find it. Did I bring it? Oh yeah, it is upstairs, the one I want to use. Well, it doesn't matter. Let me see if I can. Okay, I think I got it figured out. So reset at least one good time. Okay. Didn't like this one. Can be better, I believe. Come on. I believe I'm oversetting the last one. Well, doesn't look that I can do it again. Doesn't matter. Well, thanks for watching. This was the Alpha 1000 20mm, made in Japan. It's a pretty nice lock, and I will keep one in my collection, and the others might go in some giveaways. Thank you, bye bye.